Hey guys, welcome to the exercise library for the Superhuman Strength Protocol. This is the freedom of strength alternative to a horizontal row in the form of an inverted row using the strap. Now, with this, you're going to need one of two anchor points. You're going to need anything that you can loop the strap around. Here I'm obviously using the staircase and the banister. If not, you can also use the door anchor, which is essentially where you wrap a sock around the strap, loop it within a door frame, okay, and then trap it. Shut the door and you should be able to create that little bit of an anchor. Keeping that in mind, you want to be positioning yourself at approximately 45 degrees on this one, if not slightly lower, but obviously it depends on how tall you are and the position that you can create. If you need to, you can actually raise your feet off the ground onto a step if you're using the door anchor, for example, and it's simply making you too upright depending on how tall you are. From here, you want to loop your hands through the strap. Okay, again, the higher you grab onto the strap, the more upright your body's going to be, the easier the movement is going to be. Now you want to create a plank position. So you want to feet, hips, shoulder width apart. You want to activate your glutes, extend at the hip, and create that horizontal body position. Again, if you're unfamiliar with this movement, what most people do is not get full hip extension, okay, and keep their thoracic spine flexed slightly because they're looking forward rather than looking up. If you stay looking up, extend at the hips, keep your abs pulled in, you'll get that solid position. And then from here, you can pull in, lift your chest towards the top position, squeezing those shoulder blades together and focus on drawing your elbows back past your body. You want to hold the top position for a second or two, squeezing those shoulder blades together. And then again, when you lower yourself down, focus on lowering yourself down to the start position, but keeping that tension. So we're not relaxing at the hips, we're not relaxing at the chest, we're keeping a tall chest position and pulling throughout the full range of motion.